Hi everyone, this video is specifically for photographers, videographers, and anyone in that industry. If you're not in that industry, I believe it might not be of interest to you. But if you are, definitely watch it because I am going to explain here what can you achieve with LinkedIn. This video is part of a course. It is a lesson of a course that I created along with Phil Ebiner. But even though it's part of a course, just this lesson alone will answer that question and will help you clarify if you should invest time on LinkedIn or not. Because what we're going to answer is, in reality, what can you achieve as a photographer or videographer with LinkedIn.
What will you be able to do by the end of this course? You will have the technique and the strategies to position yourself as an expert in front of thousands of professionals, specifically picked by you. For example, people from the companies that you would like to work at, professionals in your industry, your ideal leads, or even all of them. This is awesome because you will have the tools to make them know you, like you, and trust you. Something that your competitors will not do. While you become a master at boosting your personal brand on LinkedIn, they will be like, "Oh yeah, I've heard that LinkedIn is a great place to get jobs or clients. I wish I knew how to do it. But right now I am too busy looking for jobs or clients." This is very important because it will make it a lot easier for you to get a job or to get clients, particularly because very few people in your industry are taking advantage of the power of LinkedIn. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to use LinkedIn strategically to connect with your ideal employers or clients, build relationships with them, connect with thousands of professionals in your industry with a strategic and a personalized approach. Get them to know who you are and show them your portfolio. Use wisely the information that LinkedIn gives us to apply for jobs more efficiently and effectively to increase your chances to land a job. Get clients or freelancer gigs through LinkedIn. Build a strong personal brand to help you grow professionally now and in the future. This is your mission. The instructions to complete it will be delivered to you through the course. To save time, we have chosen the team for you. Instructors Ebiner and Escobar. As always, should you or any member of your team get caught, call the police, please. Seriously, if that happens, call the police. This is not a movie. But if you have any questions, leave them in the Q&A section and we will be more than happy to help you. This message will self-destroy in 5 seconds. Good luck.